Turn left on Mimona Place, then turn left. Turn left.
It's been a while since I've been up in here.
Turn left, then drop off on the left.
Five, 6. How you doing, Taco Bell?
Yes.
Alrighty, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Yep.
Alright, total of 3 bags here.
Thank you.
Okay, I have one more for you.
Thank
There
you so
you
much.
go. You're welcome. Have a good one now.
You too.
Alright. Drive.
Turn right on Waianae Valley Road. Turn right on Waianae Valley Road, then make a sharp left turn on Plantation Road.
This thing is not something that you can put one hand on. It's not